exist between branches. Now these birds are omnivores, meaning they not only love to eat fruit, but also meat as well. And have you noticed, so right here is an excellent food pressure. Alright, let's show them to up. First one to up. Now last one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, ready your cameras as we count to 3. Now 1, 2, 3. Amazing, guys! So how about a round of applause for Tua? Now here is the ocean part. We believe there is hope. We're not trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also the land and air as well. So who knows what 3 R's of proper ways to dispose of? It's to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now let's call it once again our lovely group, and it's going to show us how to properly dispose of our waste. Because then they have other animals today are struggling because of improper waste management and pollution. So always keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. Something we can do it, then so can we. Now before I end the bird show, I would like to invite everyone to come down here on stage and take photos with our lovely birds. So you have a chance to hold our birds and take pictures with them. But pictures will only be taken by our official photographer right over there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. Now, I'd like to acknowledge all the birds and trainers that made the show possible. We have Trainer Jesse up here as our DJ. We have Trainer Christy with Blue, Trainer Vince with Aki, and Trainer Nick at the back of the house. And along with other staff here in the Ocean Park, I am Mary, your host for today. So thank you for watching and goodbye. To those who want to take pictures with our lovely birds, please